Meaning of exculpate.
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 Exculpate. Exculpate means to clear someone of blame or guilt. When someone is exculpated, it means they are found innocent or not responsible for the wrongdoing they were accused of. This could be due to new evidence being uncovered, a mistake in the original accusation, or the lack of evidence to support the accusation in the first place. Exculpation can provide relief and vindication to the person who was accused, and may restore their reputation or standing in society. It is an important legal concept that helps ensure justice and fairness.